Pre-cutting doors and door jambs to the perfect fit can save you a lot of time during the installation process and prevent accidental damage to your new flooring. Doors should be cut 1/8 of an inch and door jambs 1/16 of an inch above the height of the flooring, including any underlayment or adhesives that are used. Planning the layout of your new flooring ahead of the installation is an absolute must. To start, measure the top visible face of one of your boards. Then find the center of your room and mark it with a chalk line. Measure from the center of the room to the longest wall where you will start your installation and subtract the space needed for the expansion gap. Mark several spots along the wall and then connect them with another chalk line. This will be where you will start your first run of boards. Now that you know the width of your boards, you can plan how many boards it will take to reach the opposite wall. If your ending board is less than 1 inch wide, you need to adjust your beginning board accordingly to ensure a secure fit. Over a wood subfloor, it's best to run new boards perpendicular to the floor joists. This provides the most stability and prevents low and squeaky spots. Dry lay a large section of flooring from multiple boxes to confirm that you are happy with the color range and appearance of the flooring you are about to install. For a variety of floor installation and maintenance materials, visit your local Floor & Decor and at flooranddecor.com.